All right, in this video, we're going to talk about creating functions. So in this, what I'm trying to make is just these little bumps here. So when you're creating a function, what you're looking for is repetition in your program. So I notice here I have forward, this right, left, left, right, and then forward, right, left, left, right. So we see a repetition here that continues to go down. So if we're going to create a function, I can create a function of that chunk right there, and why don't I just put it here at the beginning, and we'll just call it bump. And we don't have any input, so I already cut, so I took that chunk and I put it in here. So just do that one more time so you understand. I took this piece that is being repeated over and over again, and I'm putting it right in there as my function. So instead of repeating all that code over and over again now, um, I am going to simply call that function, but I need this left turn 90 first, so we're going to do it after. I'm going to call bump, no input. And you know what? Let me just delete all of this. Get rid of all of that. We'll check. Hopefully this works. Oh, there's one bump. So I want another bump. So copy, paste, 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 paste. And let's see, we should get a bunch of bumps. There you go. So when you have repetition in your program, you can create a function to simplify it and manage that complexity. So now I know whenever I want to make this bump, I simply call bump.